Welcome back to Modern Coaches, guys. Today you join us in the 3500 Beast. We're headed over to my dad's house because we got a couple big stuff to pick up from him. While we're there, we're gonna swap out the brakes and struts on his van, and then you guys will check out what we got that's gonna be perfect for the shop. This is the Beast that we're gonna be taking home today. We're gonna have to separate the motor and pump from the rest of the tank because this guy is big and it's heavy. But we're gonna load it up in the van after we're done here. No, we don't even need to change them. What we need to do is just change out the shock absorber. No. The brakes are actually fine. The fluid probably needs to be changed because I guarantee it hasn't been changed in the 120,000 miles that this has. But the shock absorber for sure need to be swapped out because they're a regular maintenance 60,000 plus miles or so interval, and I guarantee you nobody has changed this since it's been made. So we're gonna swap that out and then just do a brake bleed on it, and that'll be good for today, and then we'll just try to load up that big beast over there. That's what it's supposed to be like. This one doesn't even come back. Hands on his head. Brand it is, but bushings all shot. Yeah, that ain't no good, you know? That ain't no good. I don't need to go down that. Yeah, I can feel. And it's not moving. That's shot. With the spring assist, it seemed a little cramped in there. I don't know if the spring will clear, but we can. Installation was the reverse of removal. We didn't show you guys that because it was just straightforward. We got it in place. Now we just got to bleed the brakes, throw the wheels back on, see how it rides. Oh, that's bad actually. See how dark it is? It's green, so it looks cool, but it's actually really bad. All bled, but not without its headaches. I don't know why, but it seemed like every car I've done, the driver's side front has always been a pain. This guy was all stripped out from, it looked like the previous guys didn't even bother bleeding it the first time. So he had to go get a giant pair of vice grips, broke them loose, and then we were able to bleed it out. Now we'll throw the wheels back on, take it for a test drive and see how it rides. Gonna be keeping an ear out for any kind of weird noises or anything. I'm not used to it, but the brakes feel a little mushy. They feel a little bit mushy, but we'll see. So far the handling seems pretty good. Obviously the new shocks plus the extra spring in the back, I can feel how it's definitely a little stiffer than our van. So I think they're doing their job pretty well. The struts and shock feel awesome. Honestly, this big rig kind of feels like a new minivan. Like, it drives awesome. I'm not used to the brake pedal, so it feels mushy to me. That might be normal though. But as far as like the struts with the extra helper springs in the back, this thing drives fantastic. If I was looking to buy a van and I was like test driving this, I'd be like, wow, this is a nice rig. This is what we pumped out of the master cylinder. This fluid has never been replaced. And even after pouring in new fluid and bleeding it through the lines, not any better coming out through the lines. It was just gross. Absolutely disgusting. We test drove it with my dad and he's ecstatic. The thing drives nice. And he loves it too. I wasn't used to the pedal, but he says it's fantastic. So now we're just gonna load up the compressor.
Yep.
All that headache. That was
Well, that was a waste of, feels like an hour.
Felt like a waste of an hour.
The van baby's going forward.